Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing well. And this video is about how to renew or prolong your student resident permit in Austria. So I will tell you the process step by step. The first step I'll give you an overview, and the second step I will list all the required documents, and the third step I will tell you how much it costs and how long it will take, and the final step I will give some tips and tricks in my experience. So here is a first step overview of the process. So how to prolong your student resident permit. So there are a set of rules and regulation you should follow. The first one, you have to have 16 ECTS from last 2 semesters, that is last 1 year. That's one of the rule, so that they will allow you to stay here and prolong your resident permit. So once you fulfill this requirement, check out your old resident card for the expiry date. So based on that date, you have to get 15 days earlier an appointment. So you can contact the magistrate. I will put the link and the contact numbers on the screen, also in the description. So this is how it works. Like you have to get an appointment first, then submit the documents, then pay the fee and wait for the duration 2 to 4 weeks. You have to wait. Then after that, you will get a resident card. And the validity for the new card is for next 1 year, that is 2 semesters. And for the next, you have to follow the same process. So here is a step 2. List of required documents. So what are the documents required to extend your student resident permit? The first one, the application form, you can get it from online. I will put the link on the screen or also in the description. So the application form, passport, the old card, then the e-card, insurance, then the Meldungszettel, the contract where you are living, and then the studies, the fee receipt, and the transcripts of 16 ECTS. And finally, if you are working, then you have to provide the job contract and last 3 months pay slips. And if you are not working, then you have to show the regular bank deposit which was shown for the initial process. For instance, you would have to show 10 lakhs in your Austrian account. So that's for non-working people. But if you are working, then you have to show the last 3 months pay slip. So that's enough. So I hope these are the list of documents. In case if they require a new document or some other document, they will write you an email or they will call you. So based on that, you will have to provide the document. So I'll put the list on the screen. You can make a note. So here is the third step, how much it costs and how long it will take. You have to pay 2 times. The first time while submitting the application, you have to pay 120 euros. Now you can pay by card or cash, whatever you like. And the second time you have to pay 40 euro while collecting your card. So in total you have to pay 160 euros each year to prolong your student resident permit. And how long it will take? It will take 2 to 4 weeks. It depends upon each cases. If they need some extra documents, then again it will take some more time. So in general, it will take 2 to 4 weeks. And here is the important information. The validity of the new card is next 1 year. So here is the fourth step, tips and tricks in my experience. So the first step would be to track your resident permit expiry dates. So put it somewhere on the calendar and make a reminder. And the second tip, check all the validity of the documents. For example, the passport expiry date. So please take care of those steps. And then the third step, while you submit the document, they will give you a receipt. So please carry that receipt to collect your card. So yeah, that's the third tip. And the fourth tip, just while you're going to submit the document, put the copies and the original in a separate folder so that it makes them easier to go through all the documents and the process would be so fast. And all the steps are already documented in the Ingenious website. I will also put the link on the screen and also in the description. Go and check it out. A little disclaimer, this information are furnished from our experience, like my experience and my friend's experience. So it's not an official one, so always it's advisable to go through the official website and latest informations. So this is how it works, and this is overall process to prolong your student resident card. And there's one more kind advice from my side. If you need any assistance, just send me an email. I'll try to help, but don't ask too many silly questions. There are a lot of information available online, so go through all the official informations and please post only more precise and concise questions so that I can answer quickly. Because I faced a lot of problem, like somebody wrote me an email like 2 to 3 pages, so it's hard to read and it's hard to reply, so it's always advisable to ask very precise and concise question. So I will put all the links and the references in the description. Go and check it out, and hope this video is very useful for you, and if so, consider hitting the subscribe button and like and share. And I really appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.